Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Accounts with Veena. Today I am discussing question from very important chapter of class 11, Financial Statements with Adjustments. I will explain 2-3 questions, one in this video and other in next, covering most of the important adjustments. If you do question by this method, if you do questions by my method, it will take less time to solve. Take sheets like this. Left sheet. On left sheet you prepare trading and profit and loss account, and on right side you have to prepare balance sheet. As I already told you that you should take two sheets like this. On left sheet you prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended, and on right sheet you have to prepare balance sheet always. This will do your work very fast. Okay, then now start. Opening stock. Opening stock is the item of this trading account. The two opening stock, 32,000. Next is purchase less purchase return. 2 purchase less purchase return. Okay. This is 76,000. Next item is P. Kumar. And I have already marked those items which are in adjustments. Okay. By tick mark. And those are not in trial balance. I have marked with this type of circle. Okay. So adjustment: salary of 3,000 paid to P. Kumar, an employee of the firm, stand debited to his personal account, and now it should be corrected. So you have to take this P. Kumar's salary is adjusted in with salary. This P. Kumar's salary is adjusted in profit and loss account with salary. Okay, so you have to write salary less add P. Kumar salary, that is 3,000. Okay, next is wages. Wages in trading account, 15,400. Next adjustment: carriage inward in trading account, 2,600. Next, carriage outward is to be shown in P&L account, 1,500. Then salary is 40,000. Salary is 40,000. This comes to 43,000. Next is advertisement in P&L account, 9,000. But there is adjustment in advertisement. Write off 1/3 of the advertisement expenses. So it means in P&L account you have to show only 1/3 of this 9,000. That is 3,000. Next is trade expenses in P&L account, 4,800. Next, rent in P&L, 12,000. Establishment expenses in P&L, 5,400. Stable expenses in P&L. 2,100. Next is mortgage interest. It is also an expense to mortgage interest. 600. Next is sundry debtors. Sundry debtors, there is adjustment regarding sundry debtors in adjustment number 2. So you have to take sundry debtors in balance sheet because this is asset. Sundry debtors are 40,000. Okay. In trial balance, bad debts and bad debts provisions are not given. Provision for doubtful debt is to be created on sundry debtors at the rate of 5%. So less provision on debtors. 5% of 40,000 is 2,000. 38,000. Then a provision for discount on sundry debtors at 2%. So less discount on debtors. 2% is calculated on this amount, 38,000. This is 760. 37,240. Okay. And these two adjustments are to be shown in P&L account also. To provision on debtors. This 2,000. To discount on debtors. 760. Okay. Next is cash in hand. Cash in hand you have to show in balance sheet. You have to show cash in hand at top. Machinery. 87,500 on asset side. Sales less sales return in trading account. Sales less returns 2,20,000. Next is sundry creditors is to be shown on liability side of balance sheet. Sundry creditors. There is an adjustment in creditors. Creditors are 30,000. Okay. Adjustment is sundry debtors include 10,000 loan taken from Mr. Sudhir on September 1, 2019 bearing interest at the rate of 12% per annum. So less this Sudhir loan. 10,000. Now creditors are only 20,000. But Sudhir loan is your liability, so you have to show in on liability side only. Sudhir's loan. 10,000. Okay. And interest on outstanding interest. Interest outstanding on Sudhir loan is equal to, you have to calculate like this. 10,000 into 12% into, he has taken loan is taken from Sudhir on 1st September. So September, October, November, December, January, February, March. You have to calculate interest for 7 months, 7 by 12. This is equal to 700. Okay, interest outstanding on Sudhir loan is 700. To In P&L account also you have to show interest on Sudhir's loan 700. Okay, next is capital. Capital has always adjustment regarding profit or loss, so you have to show in inner column first. Okay, then leave some space for profit or etc. Then mortgage and interest to date. This is your mortgage and interest to date is your liability. Mortgage and interest, that is 15,600. Rent outstanding is your liability. If rent outstanding is given in trial balance, you have to show on liability side only. Closing stock. This first adjustment, circle wale adjustments, now I am taking adjustments with circles. Closing stock in trading account by closing stock 46,000, and you have to show at two places. So closing stock on asset side 46,000. Next adjustment I have already done. This P. Kumar's adjustment is also done. Stationery bill of 200 remains unpaid and unrecorded. This is your liability, so you have to show it here. Stationery unpaid 200. You have to show at two places, so you have to show it here also. 2 stationery. $200. Okay. Next adjustment I have already done. This also done. This whole trial balance and adjustments I have already posted. Now you have to total it like this.